What's up guys, what's going on? Hope you're good. All right, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of the updates on MT5. All right, so most of you have been asking me these questions, so I decided to use this opportunity to share with you some of the things you can actually do with your MT5, okay, and why you can actually use the MT5, or why a lot of people now use MT5 instead of MT4, both trading currency pairs. And also I know the trading synthetic, is definitely going to be MT5, but you can also consider trading currency pairs also with MT5 because of this feature. Okay, so some of these things are, if you look right here, okay, let me just share with you guys. If you look right here, so you needed to update your MT 5, okay, you needed to update or uninstall and install it back again. So you're going to have that feature there. Okay, you have this, okay, and you also have this one here. All right, so not just this, there are a lot of things you can do on your MT5 right now. Okay, so but these are the major ones, okay, the ones that we can easily see. So the first thing is this one. Okay, this one is for buying and selling. Okay, if I click on it, you can see it just gave me this uh buying option, selling option, and buying option. So if I want to sell or buy at this point, I don't need to start clicking here and maybe clicking on any other thing to buy or sell, or clicking maybe on the chart and hold in order to open new trade, something like this. I don't need to do that again anymore. So I can easily just tap on any of these things. I can tap on sell if I want to sell, or I can tap on buy if I want to buy. So this is a demo account, guys, so that's exactly why I'm using this. So I can just click on buy. Okay, it will ask me to accept. I accept that. Click on buy. Automatically it will place a trade for me. So let's say that you want to scalp. Okay, let's say you want to scalp and you want to like enter multiple, maybe 5, 6, 7 trades, or 10 or 20, any amount of trade you want to enter. Instead of you going to do all these things, maybe coming here, holding your chart, let's say on boom 1000, trying to open new position, click on sell, and go again to do the same thing over and over again. You can easily, because you have this option here, you can just tap on sell into how many times. You can see the more I tap on this, the more trade this particular the MT5 will be placing for me, right? If you come here, you can see I've placed a lot of trades, okay, just by tapping on that box there. Okay, so if I want to buy, I will do the same thing, guys. So that is the option we have here. Okay, as this particular one, that's the function. So it's very interesting. You actually start trying it out. So the next thing is this one right here. This one is for order, pending orders. Okay, so if I let me click on this. Okay, now if I tap on this, okay, I clicked just on this one right here. So that's for pending order. So let's say I want to set my sell limits above here. So if maybe if a spike comes, or if the price get to this zone, it should trigger my sell order. I'll just click on this. You can see right there I have my sell limit here, so you can drag it to any point you want it to be. Okay, so after dragging it, also you can set your stop loss by clicking. If you look down here, you're going to see this box. So if I want to click set my stop loss, I'll click here to set my stop loss. I want to set my TP, I'll click here to set my TP. So let's do it together. So I can easily click on this, and this is my stop loss out here. And you know, when I'm setting my sell limit here, my stop loss should be above this. Okay, I'll maybe put my stop loss here, then my TP should be below, maybe ×2, ×3, or anything like that. I can set my TP below here, right? So this becomes my TP. So I have my TP right here, and I have my SL right here, and this is my entry. So you can see how easy these things are now. You can easily do this within seconds. You are done. So after doing that, you are going to click on this arrow. Okay, look at this arrow right here. That's the arrow you are going to click to automatically, place this pending order. So if you look right here, your SL is already here. Okay, the SL is already here, the TP is here, You can reset your lot size, anything like that. Then you click below here, you can see this place, you have this place. That's where you're going to click, and automatically you're going to place the order, right? So if you look right here, I have my pending order ready. Okay, I have my pending order ready. Then if I click there again, which is this button here, it's going to open this same dialog box here. So what if I want to do a buy limit instead of a sell limit? Okay, let's say I want to do that. I will simply click on, for instance, if I want to do buy limit, I have to drag this down here, right? I have to drag it below the price, if I want to do buy limit. You know how these things work. The stop loss should be below here, the TP should be somewhere above here. That means if the price push all the way from this point to this level, it should trigger my buy, okay, at this point. So once the price gets to this level, it should trigger my buy. And if the price push up to this level, it should hit my TP. If the price go below, it should hit my stop loss. So I can easily set my buy limit at this zone. Okay, let's just do it because the price is already close to that zone. So my stop loss could be here, my TP should be here. So I've already set it. I will just click. If you look here, the price is too close, so this is the place I could place my buy limit at this zone. So I will now click and I'll place. So automatically I've placed my buy limit at that zone. So this is my entry point right here. If the price push there, it's going to trigger my buy. This is my my stop loss right here, and this is my TP. Okay, so let's watch and see what will happen. So I will go to this trade. Look at where I place my limit here, the buy limit. Remember, we are looking at the buy limit. The price is going to trigger once the price gets to the zone. So this is my buy limit, and let's see how the price will trigger it. Once it gets, it's going to get to the zone in a minute, in seconds, okay? Because the price is so close to the zone right now. So let's see, boom, you can see it, I've already triggered that buy limit right now. So the price get to the zone, automatically to place the trade for you, right? So you can see the price already there, and this is the stop loss below here, the TP is here, right? That's the function of that buy limit and sell limit. So what of if you want to use the sell stop or buy stop? It's the same thing. You simply click on this button. You can see this one here. Just tap on it. It will change it to sell stop and buy stop. You can see buy stop, and you can tap on it. If you drag the this line below here, you're going to get sell stop. Okay, if you drag it above here, you're going to get buy limit. So I'm not here to teach you pending orders or how to use or this order. I'm just trying to teach you how to take advantage of this new feature that we have here on MT5. Okay, then look at the mind-blowing thing you need to learn or you need to know about this MT5. Now you have all this trade open. Most of us, sometimes the problem we encounter while taking trade or scalping is that we might want to close all this trade now, and before we keep, we want to close all the profits. Okay, we want to close all the profits. So it will be difficult for you to keep closing one after the other. You might be doing that, and spike you'll be caught by spike. So instead of doing it one after the other like this, okay, you close this. Network can be so disturbing sometimes. You keep closing it this way, it takes time. So instead of doing that, you have a lot of options to do, to actually play around with. Okay, I can just click and hold. You can see a lot of dialog box here, what I can actually do. So I'll just simply click on bulk operation. You can see here the down one, bulk operation. If I click on bulk operation, you can see here you can easily close all the position at once. So if I click on this, all the positions will be closed, right? So I can decide not to do that. Then I can simply close only profitable positions. Okay, I can close only profitable positions. I can equally close losing position. I can close only sell positions. I can close the boom and boom only boom 1000 position that I opened. I can only close it. I can equally close the sell position on boom 1000. Okay, I can close both sell and buy position on boom 1000, any of them. So let's say that I'm scalping. Okay, let's say I'm scalping and I want to close all this trade right here. Okay, I want to close it, okay, on boom 1000. So what I will simply do, okay, is simply click on any of them, okay, and click on bulk operation down here. Then after that, I'll click on close, or that is close boom 1000 positions. Okay, so if I click on close boom 1000 positions, you're going to close everything about boom 1000, right? Okay, but what I want to do is just to close only profitable position on boom 1000, or only buy position on boom 1000, or sell position. So if you look here, I have all the boom 1000 as a sell position. Okay, I have 1000 as sell position here. You can see sell, 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 apart from this one here. Okay, the only one I have as buy position is this. So if I want to close only this profitable position, I'll just tap on any of them, go to bulk operation, then I'll go to only buy position on boom 1000, which is this particular one. I have close boom 1000 sell position. I have let's see, close by boom 1000 index, close boom 1000 index sell position, close boom 1000 positions. So I am not actually seeing that of buy position, so I can close all the boom 1000 positions. Okay, so if I click on this, automatically it's going to close everything above boom 1000 at once. It's not going to take time. You can see it have closed everything above boom 1000. So this trade is still running, but it couldn't close it because it's not actually on boom 1000. So I can decide to let me place other trades. Okay, let me just place trades randomly to share with you another thing. Okay, so remember, I'm using demo account, guys. You should know that already. So now if you see, I have open positions in different indices. Okay, both volatility 50, 25, boom 500, boom 1000. So I can just decide that, okay, I'm okay, I don't want anything, I don't want to risk my account anymore, I don't want to do anything today. So instead of me just closing one after the other, I can just simply click on close all positions and everything will be closed. So you can play around with these things and see how they work. Okay, I'm just trying to share with you a few things you can do with this. So that's for this video, trying to share with you some of the updates and features that you have here on MT5. So you can try out these things, and actually this thing will make your work so easy. It will make your trading easy when you use MT5. So that's that for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys. Enjoy.